What's up, gang? It's a quick tutorial on, and I mean quick. Well, basically, I got some new front turn signals for my BRUTALE over there. My 2022 NV Agusta BRUTALE. As you can see, I already started taking it apart. It's real simple. There's bolts here, and on the sides there. So you take those off. It's 4 bolts. When you get to that point, there's connections. The main connector, you have to unplug, and then the left turn signal and your right. Unsnip those. There goes the head. Let's see. Without damaging it. Flip that over. Basically what's going to end up happening here is you're just going to unbolt this, take the old or the OEM turn signal, which is actually pretty cool. I just don't like this arm shit. It's a little smaller, I wouldn't even trip. But you're going to take both of these off and then insert the new ones. Obviously you button it back up, tie them together, put them back on, put the head back on, and keep all the connectors back on, and voila. So no, it wasn't as simple as I thought. The year that this was made for required different parts and hardware that's not available on my current edition bike, which is a 22 and not a 17. So I had to use different parts, and when I figured it out, it worked.
This doesn't make sense.